New details tonight on the murder-suicide that left a couple dead in Madera County on Tuesday.
The sheriff's office says 6-year-old Monty Bounds shot and killed his 58-year-old estranged wife, Julie. The couple was married for 10 years but have a history of domestic violence. CBS 47's Catherine Phillips talked with the Madera County District Attorney about this tragedy.
The district attorney says this case is tragic and this is never the outcome they wanted. But she says the court and the legal system was applied fairly and thinks they did everything they could to keep Julie Bounds safe.
We take a lot of steps. In the final analysis, a restraining order is a piece of paper.
Monty Bounds was first arrested for a domestic incident involving his wife Julie on October 30th outside of his home on Avenue 12. Madera County Sheriff Tyson Pogue says he resisted arrest and was tased by a deputy. He got out on bail, and hours later, Mrs. Bounds reported she was being threatened and harassed again. He was arrested again later that day. During that time, an emergency protective order and a restraining order was issued, and his guns were seized. But on November 4th, even after a deputy spoke to a judge about raising Bounds' bail, a Madera Superior Court judge released him on bond so he could await trial outside of jail. On Tuesday, deputies were called to the home for a welfare check and found the two dead with gunshot wounds. Moreno says, while terrible, she says the court system upheld the law and she believes they did everything they could to help Julie Bounds.
In the time since he'd been released from custody, there were no ripples. No calls for service, no indication that things weren't going just fine.
Monty Bounds missed a court date on December 1st, the judge choosing to reschedule rather than issue an arrest warrant, since his lawyer stated they had been in touch. Moreno says it was rescheduled for later this month and doesn't think it would have made a difference in this case.
Our judges do the best they can every day. They make hundreds of decisions every day. And they make call after call after call after call, and it's hugely tragic when one ends like this.
Sheriff Pogue says the gun used in the shooting was not registered to Monty Bounds. In the studio, Catherine Phillips, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.